Welcome back, guys. Today we're going for a test drive in a 1969 Chevelle SS. This one here has a matching number motor. We have all the paperwork. We'll be trying the AC out, checking it out. We've also got power steering on this one. We'll be taking it down the road. Anything that I see, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. It's letting you know everything about these cars. Check us out at maplemotors.com. I have financing, I have shipping, I have close to 100 detailed pictures. We also have a brief description about us and a frequently asked questions section. So please check that out and please share this video. If you don't mind hitting like and subscribe, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. We're gonna look around the interior of this car before we take off here. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? It's a little game we like to play here. Hopefully the street brakes. I had to get the Ford Ranger out just to break the street. We'll start her up. Starts up pretty easy. Does the clock work still? No, old clock's not working. Gas gauge is on full right now. Radio does work. AC compressor just kicked on. She's blowing, but she only blows on low. And it feels pretty cool. Good deal. Wipers work. Horn? Yes. Horn works on this one. Turn signals popping up on the dash there. Good to go. Let's look around the interior some more. Back seat's in good shape. Package tray looks great. Headliner's in great shape. Awesome. All right, let's take off. All right. Get her window down. Put my seatbelt on. Anything I see, I will let you know. This is the first time I've driven this ride. But I do like to go through and tell you the things that the car needs, or just things that just don't work in general. That way you know what you're getting before you get here. Speedometer's coming up. Steering's pretty tight. Car's going pretty straight down the road. Not having any issues with that. Let's try these brakes before we get to. Brakes feel great. Take the kick downs there. Sure is. Here we go. Pretty smooth ride. Feels great going down the road. The belt's a little bit squeaky up under the hood. I noticed that. Right. Definitely getting nice outside. Everybody's coming out today. I should definitely get some gas. It's pegged all the way to the full side, but I don't know exactly if that's reading correct. So we're gonna stop at the gas station here. I'm gonna try to put some gas in it, at least try to get 20 bucks. If it does take that, then we'll know that it's not actually full, that the gauge is wrong. So, the turning radius on this one's pretty good. Power steering's very easy to turn too. All right. So we'll get some fuel and continue this ride. All right, I think it was a full tank. It took about 3 more gallons and it was done. She's maxed out. Put the gas in back here behind the tag. Good deal. See if the gauge went up anymore. It was on full. I still got like $7 in, but yeah, it's going up even more. Say it somewhat works, but it looks like it's off by like a 1/4 tank. So I'd say if you got to a 1/4 tank, you may be running out. Just keep it rolling. Here we go. Here we go. Get my seatbelt on. Pedal to the floor. Oh my goodness. I'm pretty excited. Little do y'all know, this is Friday, and I'm already making these videos. When I get off work, I go on fishing. This car's been awesome, very easy to check out. I did the walk around video. It does have some old paint on it, so definitely check that out. I want you to know about that before you come up here. That's the main issue with this car, is the paint flaws. Running and driving wise, she's great, she's smooth, kick down's hooked up. We're rocking a 396 that came in the car. That's awesome. Speedometer's working. Pretty much everything works other than this clock on the dash. I do feel like it's moved though. It'd be cool if it just started working. I really feel like that's moved a little bit. Maybe halfway working. And we got a horn. That guy probably thought I honked at him or her. Can't talk. Too excited, man. Tell you what, this thing is smooth. You could jump up on the highway, run 70 miles an hour. Shouldn't have any issues. Turn signals, tail lights, headlights. I checked all that in the walk around video. I do that now. Kind of glancing around the car. We're right around the corner from the car lot now. Sitting here in the pretty much 5 o'clock traffic. And it's this nice outside. Everybody's out. It's been a little bit difficult for test drives today, that's for sure. What a great Friday. Y'all are probably like, what? It's Monday. I had to get a head start. I got a lot of cars. All right, we've made it back to the lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. I feel a little goofy today. Sorry about that. I'll see you in a little while. Later, guys. Like I say in all the videos, at the end of the test drive, I would really like it if y'all hit that subscribe button. If you also checked out my website, which is maplemotors.com. I have close to 100 detailed pictures. I have financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, and we update every Monday with new cars. If you look on here, there's like 2,000 videos that we've made in the last 2 years. Hopefully I can keep that up. We definitely got a lot of cars in the last week. So spring's here, guys. Lots of inventory from Maple Motors coming your way. Thanks for watching.